Hey everybody, it's Megan. I do hope all of you are doing well. Today is going to be a very exciting video as it is going to be a Louis Vuitton luxury unboxing haul. I do want to preface this video, as I have with past videos, by saying my thoughts and prayers go out to each and every one of you that are affected by everything that is going on in the world today. With that being said, I do ask that you guys tune into the latter part of this video where I will be going over the very important topic of the value of time. If you guys do enjoy this video, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also, if you click that notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video. So very quickly, before I get into my unboxing, I do want to let you guys know of a fellow YouTuber that I highly look up to. She admires Louis Vuitton just as much as I do. Her YouTube name is Louis Vuitton_aholic. And if you guys happen to be on Instagram, I suggest checking her out on there. Her pictures are absolutely stunning and amazing. She is a wonderful photographer. Her YouTube channel is fairly new. I think you guys will be impressed, so please do go check her out. Now let's get into my Louis Vuitton luxury unboxing haul. The first item that I want to present to you guys does come in a box like this. I will go ahead and present to you guys the classic, beautiful, and gorgeous Louis Vuitton. I think you guys know what this may be. Speedy Bandouliere 25 in the monogram canvas. Some of you guys that do follow me may be wondering why I purchased this in the size 25 when I already own it in the size 30. The reason for that is I do own 4 Speedies and I don't think I need to have all of them in the size 30. I do think it's a good idea to mix up my Speedy collection just a bit by having different sizes. Obviously, this is very new and the canvas kind of needs to break in. It also needs a tan with the vachetta, but I really love the fact that this bag came with very soft, squishy canvas. I'd love to know if any of you guys do have the Speedy Bandouliere, what size you have, what canvas, and what you think of it. For me personally, I am a huge fan of the Speedy. It is extremely classic, iconic, beautiful, and gorgeous. Dates back many decades and will remain in fashion style for many decades to come. Craftsmanship is truly the #1 thing that matters most to me when it comes to a piece, but it is nice when a bag from Louis Vuitton is made in France like this one was. So yay for the Speedy 25 Bandouliere. So very glad to now have it within my collection. As far as the Speedy 30 goes, I will be doing a comparison review between that bag and this bag. And then I will be selling my Speedy 30 Bandouliere to any of you guys that may be interested. Okay, so the next item that I do have to show you guys does come from Louis Vuitton. Shock, shock. I did order this online. I will give a little hint. It does come from a new collection. I'm actually quite shocked to have this piece within my hands, as I did stalk the Louis Vuitton website for many days, many times, and then it just popped right into inventory and I was so happy. So I'm happy to show you guys the beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, can't wait to use it this summer, Louis Vuitton. Again, peeking out. I love this collection. Toiletry 26 Clutch, Escale collection in the blue. I do live in California. I adore the ocean, and when I look at this piece, the multi-dimensional blue that is going on completely reminds me of the ocean, and that makes me very happy. I humbly say that I do own this in the monogram version and I adore wearing it as a clutch. This piece is extremely versatile as it can be worn as a clutch or to carry your toiletries, but for me, I use them solely as a clutch. And my thinking strategy truly was, when I saw this piece, that I would love to wear this particular clutch at beachside restaurants in California. I'm so very glad to have it, and I think it will look absolutely beautiful at a beachside restaurant with an ocean backdrop to complement the colors within this piece. Moving right along, the next item that I have to show you guys comes from Fashionphile. This is actually the second item that I've purchased pre-owned. This is a discontinued item, one that I looked for a very long time. So inside this dust bag, I would love to reveal the discontinued Louis Vuitton monogram sunglass holder, size MM. The canvas on this item is extremely soft. I checked the date code, it is 2007. That makes this piece the oldest piece within my collection, as I did start my collection in May of 2017. I'm so glad that the hunt is over and I finally have this piece. Can't wait to use it, and I know my sunglasses will definitely appreciate it. Okay, so the next item that I'm going to show you guys is not a bag. It does come from the Gucci Fashion House. I think you guys will have a pretty good idea as to what's inside once you see this box right here. Opening it up, we do have a very pretty dust bag that it came with. And inside the box, you guys will see I now have a new pair of really cute Gucci Ace sneakers. I did have a pair of these in the past and I wore them to death, so it's time for a new pair. And I really adore the blue on the back, and I really love the colors right here. I love all Gucci Ace sneakers. I really like this particular model because I felt like it would go with all outfits quite well. I think this will complement denim so very much, and like with the other items, I cannot wait to use them. So very happy, very ecstatic to now have these new Gucci Ace sneakers. Okay, so the last item that I'd like to present to you guys does come from the Versace Fashion House. Opening this up, I do have to reveal to you guys this very cute, very fashionable Versace Logo Hat. I really enjoy wearing hats on certain occasions, and I really love the quality and craftsmanship that do go into Versace hats. So that is going to be it for my Louis Vuitton luxury unboxing haul. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the items I did go over, the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 monogram bandouliere, the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26 Escale collection, the Louis Vuitton monogram sunglass case holder, the Gucci Ace sneakers, or the Versace hats, please do leave those in the comment section below, as I do adore hearing from you guys. Alright, you guys, now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I wanted to go over the very important topic of the value of time. God gave us a wonderful gift. It is called the present. I do believe we should thank God for that gift by spending our time in a way that honors Him. Time is more valuable than money, and the way we choose to spend our time is truly going to dictate how our lives go. God is love, God is light, and He only wants the best for your life. I believe that He wants you to spend your time on this earth wisely, to be the very best version of yourself that you could possibly be. I do think that when it comes to who we are as people, how we treat other people, our spiritual life, we should not be in the same place 1 year, 5 years, 10 years down the road than we are today. And that really is all dependent on how we choose to spend our time. Another way that we can truly value time, value the present, is to have a giving spirit. The saying is very true. It is in giving that we receive. When we give to others, it's like a boomerang. The happiness that we give to another person comes right back into our spirit. Let's not waste any time. Let's make the most of every single moment that we have. No matter what's going on in the world, you have the decision to never lose your peace. It's very important to understand the fact that your peace is yours, it cannot be taken, and it cannot be stolen without your permission. When you're tempted to get angry, hurt, or upset about something, anything that could steal from your quality of time in life, remember that is only going to be a peace stealer. Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. So let's wake up every single morning with God, make the declaration with Him that you are going to spend your time wisely, that you are going to appreciate each moment for what it's worth, and that you are going to take advantage of the time that's been gifted to you by being the best person that you could possibly be, treating other people good, achieving your goals, and having a giving spirit. Please remember, God is always with you. You don't have to seek Him to find you, but when you do seek Him out and you ask for His peace, the peace that surpasses all understanding, He will grant that to you, and that is His peace. Hold on to that peace tightly every moment of every single day. Appreciate every single moment of every single day as a gift, because it is, and understand the value of time. It will only make your life better. So that is what I have to say on the topic of the value of time. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did go over, and or any comments or questions on my Louis Vuitton luxury unboxing haul, please do leave those in the comment section below. I shall reiterate, I love hearing from you guys. I thank you so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Until my next, which I'm very excited about, you guys take care, and I will be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.